Turkish firms Aselsan, Baykar and Roketsan concluded signing of a technology localization agreement with Saudi Arabia for the Bayraktar AKINCI combat drone Sunday. President of the Presidency of Defense Industry Professor Dr. Haluk Görgün, Baykar General Manager Haluk Bayraktar, Roketsan General Manager Murat II and Aselsan General Manager Ahmet Akyol attended the signing ceremony in Saudi Arabia. Drone maker Baykar said the Akinci deal with Riyadh is Turkey's biggest ever export contract, without disclosing its value. Some reports peg the deal's worth to be around $3 billion. As per the contract signed between Baykar and with Saudi Arabian Military Industries, SAMI, Akinci UCAVs will be produced in Saudi Arabia. Meanwhile, Roketsan signed a memorandum of understanding with Saudi Arabia's National Company for Mechanical Systems, NCMS, for the joint production of Roketsan products such as IIR Guided MAM-L, IIR Guided MAM-T and Hybrid Seeker MAM-T munitions. Aselsan and NCMS agreed to localize production of electro-optical surveillance and targeting systems, guidance kits and guided ammunition used in Baykar's drones. In the statement made by Aselsan on the subject, Aselsan and NCMS, they will work together to strengthen the defense industry in Saudi Arabia. In line with the signed agreement, joint studies, including localization, will be carried out in the fields of electro-optical surveillance and targeting systems, guidance kits and guided ammunition to be used in UAVs exported by Baykar. Our cooperation will support our export-oriented growth vision in defense technologies. Statements were included.